In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best budget cordless lawn mowers 2026 on Amazon. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best cordless lawn mowers. Number 1, Greenworks 40V 16-inch cordless lawn mower, push button start, 4.0Ah battery included, battery-powered push mower for up to 1/3 acre. Powerful 40V battery system delivers reliable cordless performance for efficient lawn mowing. 16-inch cutting deck, ideal size for small to medium yards with excellent maneuverability. Covers up to 1/3 ampere CRE. 4.0Ah battery provides extended runtime for complete lawn care. Push button start, easy startup without gas, oil, or pull cords, lightweight and easy to maneuver. Compact design makes mowing comfortable and convenient. Quiet and low maintenance battery-powered operation reduces noise and eliminates gas engine maintenance. Adjustable cutting height, customized grass height for a clean and professional looking lawn. Compatible with 75+ Greenworks tools. Battery system works across a wide range of Greenworks outdoor tools. Maintain a clean and healthy lawn with the Greenworks 40V 16-inch cordless lawn mower, designed for convenience, efficiency, and powerful cordless. Number 2, Greenworks 60V 17-inch brushless cordless lawn mower, 2-in-1 mulching and bagging push mower with 4.0Ah battery and charger. Powerful 60V battery system, high-performance cordless power for efficient lawn mowing. 17-inch cutting deck, ideal for small to medium-sized lawns with excellent maneuverability. Brushless motor technology provides stronger performance, quieter operation, and longer motor life. 2-in-1 mulching and bagging, choose between mulching grass clippings or collecting them in the rear bag. Up to 40 minutes runtime, includes 4.0Ah battery and 3A charger for reliable mowing sessions. Push button start, easy startup with no gas, oil, or pull cords required. Adjustable cutting height, customized lawn height for a clean and professional finish. Low maintenance and eco-friendly, battery powered. Design reduces emissions, noise, and maintenance needs. The Greenworks 60V 17-inch brushless cordless lawn mower delivers powerful performance and convenient cordless operation for maintaining your lawn with ease. Designed with a high-efficiency brushless motor, this mower offers strong cutting power, quieter performance, and increased durability compared to traditional. Number 3, Greenworks 48V2X 24V 17-inch brushless cordless lawn mower combo kit with 24V drill/driver. Dual 4.0Ah USB batteries and rapid charger included. 48V dual battery power, powered by two 24V batteries for strong cordless mowing performance. 17-inch cutting deck, compact and efficient design, ideal for small to medium-sized lawns. Brushless motor technology delivers increased power, quieter operation, and longer motor life. 2-in-1 combo kit includes a 24V drill/driver for added versatility and value. Dual 4.0Ah USB batteries included. Number 4, EGO Power Plus LM2135 SP cordless self-propelled lawn mower, 56V electric lawn mower with 7.5Ah and extra 5.0Ah battery and rapid charger. Powerful 56V battery system, high-performance cordless power for efficient and reliable lawn mowing. Self-propelled drive system, adjustable self-propelled function, reduces effort and improves control. Includes 2 batteries, comes with a 7.5Ah battery plus an extra 5.0Ah battery for extended runtime. Rapid charger included, quickly recharges batteries to minimize downtime. High-efficiency brushless motor delivers strong cutting performance with quieter operation and longer motor life. Adjustable cutting heights, easily customized grass length for a professional-looking lawn. Weather-resistant construction, durable design built to handle tough outdoor conditions. Push button start, hassle-free startup without gas, oil, or pull cords. Eco-friendly and low-maintenance battery-powered operation reduces emissions, noise, and maintenance needs. The EGO Power Plus LM2135 SP cordless electric lawn mower combines advanced cordless performance with the convenience of a self-propelled design, making lawn care easier and more efficient. Powered by EGO's high-performance 56V battery system, this mower delivers strong cutting power comparable to gas-powered models, without the noise, fumes, or maintenance. The adjustable self-propelled drive system helps reduce fatigue while providing smooth maneuverability across your yard. Equipped with a high-efficiency brushless motor, the mower offers reliable performance, quieter operation, and increased durability. This package includes a powerful 7.5 Ah battery, an additional 5.0 Ah backup battery, and a rapid charger to ensure extended runtime and minimal interruptions during mowing sessions. Adjustable cutting heights allow you to achieve the perfect lawn finish for any season, built with durable, weather-resistant materials and featuring a convenient push-button start. Number 5. Honda HRX-BE 21-inch battery-powered self-propelled lawn mower. Walk-behind electric mower with dual battery bays and easy-off grass bag. Powerful battery-powered performance delivers strong cutting power without gas, oil, or emissions. 21-inch cutting deck wide cutting path covers more lawn area efficiently. Variable speed self-propelled system adjustable drive speed for smooth and comfortable mowing control. Dual battery bays supports extended runtime and convenient battery management. Large 2.2 bushel grass bag high-capacity collection bag reduces emptying frequency. Easy-off grass bag design simplifies grass disposal and cleanup after mowing. Durable Honda engineering built for reliable long-term performance and durability. Adjustable cutting height customized grass length for a clean, professional-looking lawn. Quiet and low-maintenance electric operation reduces noise and eliminates engine maintenance. The Honda HRX-BE 21-inch battery-powered lawn mower combines Honda's trusted performance with the convenience of cordless electric power. Designed for homeowners seeking efficient and low-maintenance lawn care, this walk-behind mower delivers powerful cutting performance without the hassle of gas, oil, or pull cords. Its 21-inch cutting deck provides excellent coverage for medium to large lawns, while the variable speed self-propelled system offers smooth maneuverability and reduced effort during mowing. Dual battery bays help extend runtime, allowing you to complete larger mowing jobs with fewer interruptions. The large 2.2 bushel grass bag efficiently collects clippings, and the easy-off design makes disposal quick and simple.